My dear friends, I am coming here online after many days. See, there are two Catholics in India. One is Syrian Catholics and one is Latin Catholics. Latin Catholics from Goa. Latin Catholics who were converted after Saint Francis Xavier came to Goa, and after that there was a conversion in India. That is Latin Catholic. And Syrian Catholics means Saint Thomas came to, the disciple of Jesus Christ came to Kerala and he started converting the people. Why Saint Thomas? See, the Saint Thomas, the disciple of Jesus Christ, never believed on Jesus Christ after his death. When he put his hands in the chest, that time he thought that Jesus has risen from the death. But you know, the kings, the Jewish kings were very clever. Whoever they find the Jesus Christ disciple, they started hanging him or crucifixion. So the Saint Thomas ran away and came to Kerala. Okay, and then he started the conversion there. That is called Syrian Catholics, Syrian Eastern Catholics. Okay. And you should think, and you should know, in Israel there are no Catholics, there are no people who believe on Jesus Christ. All are Jews. All are Jews. The father of Jesus Christ was a Jew, mother was a Jew. The grandfather of Christ was a Jew, all are Jews, and they believed on Moses, the 10 Commandments. They believed on 10 Commandments of Jesus Christ and the Sabbath day. Where you should not work at all. And Jesus Christ didn't believe on the Sabbath day, and so he was punished. He was given a trial of 40 days by the Jewish kings, but they thought that he is under guilty, something like that, and he was crucified. And all the 12 apostles after the crucifixion, they ran away here and there. One, the Thomas, who didn't believe on Jesus Christ's resurrection, he came to India. And this Syrian Catholics, Kerala Catholics priests, or their missionary, Kerala Catholics missionary, don't believe on these Latin Catholics. They think they are Hindus. They think if you go and meet the Syrian Catholics priest, and you say you are Goan from 16th century, and I am a Catholic, I am a Fernandez, I am a D'Souza, I am a Souza, I am Rodriguez, I am a Almeida, I am this, that. They will say you are Hindu. But they too, 2000 years back, in Kerala, they too were Hindus. But they say Hindus too, all Goans who were converted in 16th century. Christianization took place in 16th century after Saint Francis Xavier at Goa. Okay. So they say you are a Hindu to us. My ancestor got converted in 16th century in Goa. They say you are Hindu. But they too are Hindu 2000 years back when Saint Thomas came. There are two things, and this is a very great politics in Roman Catholicism. Catholicism, the Catholics, there is a great politics all over the world. But anyway, these missionaries, the missionary head is, who is the missionary head? Missionary head is the Pope at Rome, and he does everything all over the world. And he wants property of the churches, property of the missionaries all over the world, whether in India or any parts of the world. There will be, their rule is one church, one school and colleges, so that income, continuous income might come there. Less preaching, more business. Less preaching and more business. Even the Catholics, Roman Catholics, don't know to open the Bible page. Even me cannot open the Bible page, nor my parents cannot open the Bible page, nor my ancestors' grandfather can open the page, because they don't know to read and they don't know to open the page. They are busy in building schools, colleges, everything. But whatever they do, we, the Kerala people who were converted in 2000 years before, all are intelligent and all are working all over the world, all have good white collar jobs. Keralites have all got white collar jobs. Kerala people, and the few who are little not intelligent, they go for the missionary work. All have everything. 60% people in Kerala are Christians, and the Goans, 16th century people who converted from Hindus, open category, nothing, no government jobs, no private jobs, no good education, no nothing in the politics, no big people in the politics, no big people in the businessman, nothing education. Okay, see, our missionary, Roman Catholics means Roman Catholic, see, caste, see. Caste means the profession you do work. Example, you are chamar, you are a cobbler. That means your ancestors did that work of cobbler. Okay. If you are Navi, if you are hair cutter, that means your ancestors did the work of hair cutting. But we Catholics, if you go and see your living certificates, religion Christian and caste Roman Catholic. How the caste can be Roman Catholic? Caste means the profession, the work you do. They removed our caste, and we people, downtrodden people, became open category, and we have to fight a lot for government jobs, for private company jobs, and everything. Missionary started giving or helping some Catholics from remote villages from since 1880, I think so. At least they thought to give basic education till 10th standard in English medium. But English medium, giving education in English medium till 10th standard will not work. They have to teach them scholarships exams from 4th standard scholarship exams, 6th standard scholarship exams, the 9th standard scholarship. Then the pool of people, a pool of students will get created and become officers. Even the priests don't help them, but still with their eligibility in mind, with their eligibility of intelligence, they will get success in cracking government admissions, government colleges admissions. Or if you say we Catholics, a missionary has highest education system in India, highest. They are developing other communities. They are developing other communities, not our community. If you see other community like Gujaris, Jainism, they develop their community first. But our missionaries developing their community, other community first, and we community last. We have engineering colleges, medical colleges, nursing colleges all over India. But there, if you want to get admission, you have to give donation. Even if you're Catholic, you have to give donation. You have to pay lots of money. If you want to become nurse, around 12-14 lakhs you have to invest. If you want to become engineer, there is a network problem. If you want to become engineer, 14 to 15 lakhs. And our people, our people, those who study in English medium schools, in Catholic schools, they don't give scholarship exams, and they cannot even crack the CET exams, or another there is CET and JEE, something like that. They cannot crack because they are not competitive. Government, if you see, just make a statistics that in government of India from class 4 to class 1, those who are employed in government sector, all are from government schools, Jilla Parishad schools, not from Catholic schools or not from English medium schools. So the teachings of government schools are very nice than the Catholic schools or than the private schools. You will see Tahsildars, they are Tahsildars, collectors, or anything, income tax officer, all are from government schools, Jilla Parishad schools, and not from Catholic schools. Catholic school student cannot even crack the Sipahi exam because they are not competitive, and the teachers also not competitive. But in government school, the teachers who are employed, they are competitive, and so they become. I don't want to make discrimination, but Catholic, Roman Catholic. We are Roman Catholics. We people are Roman Catholic. Roman Catholics means highest caste in the world. Highest caste in the world. The richest caste in the world. But Catholics in India working in the class 4, sweeping, doing waiter job, this, that. They are not having collar jobs, white collar. But the Keralites, Saint Thomas missionary, all people have white collar jobs. But we Catholics, missionaries behind all money, building churches, building schools, building colleges, but they are not developing a people. Example I'll tell you. If there is a college example, St. Andrews College, Mumbai. The fees are per year 1,60,000 for per lakh 1,60,000 for 5 years 5,60,000. Okay, so the priest or the missionary should take only rupees out of 1,60,000 this per year. They should take only 4,000 fees, exam fees for next 20 years, not much. Till then our people will get developed. Till then our people will get developed for next, whether rich or poor, 4,000 fees. Because government is giving these facilities to VJ, NT, ST, OBC, EBC people who get admission there. Just they pay rupees 4,000 per year, and in rupees 16,000 they become an engineer and they get a good job in private. They get a job in private sector. But our Catholics, they cannot enter in the admissions in Catholic colleges because they don't have money. They don't have money. They cannot spend 15 lakhs, 12 lakhs, 10 lakhs there. But they should reform their policies, that at least few people, 10 to 15, 20 people in rupees very less, in 16,000 they can become engineer for next 20 years, not more. After that, after 20 years they can take, but till they get developed. And see, I am telling you, there is network issue. They ask donations to this Roman with our people. They ask, our people are still very downtrodden. Means 80% are still downtrodden. Not dead, they don't have white collar jobs. Still they are downtrodden. But they still ask donation for the churches, colleges, schools. Are you first develop our people, then you ask. Our people are still giving, they are giving still money. If you ask, if the priest or bishops, cardinal ask money, still they give whatever they have in them. But your aim is to develop them. If you develop, they will give more. Without asking, they will give more. But you make engineers, doctors, nurses, just you see, you make it and you make it that nurses, doctor, and you will get more. Because the Catholic teachings are very nice. Catholic teachings are very nice. Jesus Christ teachings are very nice. But this missionary priests have made it a business. Anyway, you have everything. You have colleges, you have schools, you have properties. You develop a people, develop. If you see a Catholic begging or this, you should begging or doing a lower level job. The priest, bishops, cardinals should feel ashamed, because we have highest education in India. And I am speaking this, I don't have any books. Without books I am speaking. If you say Louis is a bad man, I am a bad man. But what is truth, I will speak. Let the Pope should know that the Latin Catholics, I am not speaking of these Syrian Catholics. Syrian Catholics are white collar jobs. They are all over the world. They are doing business and this, that. They are very clever than all humans. Okay, but the Latin Catholics, those who got converted in the 16th century, me and my ancestors and everyone, Rodriguez, Fernandez, Almeida, Carvalho, this, all, that, all, Potodo, all are converted in 16th century. Okay, they should be developed. But the Goans, Catholics already developed, and they are in Western countries. They are doing well. But those who got migrated in Mangalore, those who got migrated in India, in Kolhapur, Maharashtra, those who got migrated in Pakistan, they are not developed. This priest missionary should think of this, and I have faith. Even me person who criticize or speaks against a missionary, but still I have something in me that if a missionary needs any help, I will help. This is the network issue. This is the teachings of Christian Catholic, and I think I say, see this, what do you say, in Sindhudurga diocese they are building 15 crore church. They already built 5 crore bishop house. Why they need this all? Does Jesus Christ had this all? Jesus Christ was born in the hut, scorching heat and scorching winter and the scorching winter. But now there's priest gets Stephens, bishops stay in like landlords, and they live luxurious life. You do anything, you live in luxurious life, nothing, there is no problem to us. If you live in luxurious life, there is no problem to us. But you develop a people, Latin people, not Syrian people. Syrian St. Thomas people, Syrian people, Keralites are already developed, and they have white collar jobs. But this Latin Catholics, downtrodden jobs. There is something wrongs in the missionary. They did good things from 1980s, but still again they downfall. They are just behind building churches, schools. No, you develop our people, and our people will take care of you till death. And I'm not speaking anything from the books. I am speaking without books. Okay, bye bye, love you. If you say Luis is a bad man, you say bad man. No problem, there is nothing for me. Okay, bye bye, love you all.